If you've determined that the fan on your AB200DS has a failed fan speed sensor, replacement is quick and easy. Before working on your machine, ensure that the chassis is turned off and there is no power running to the fan. Begin by removing the cage guard on the fan. There are 2 nuts holding the cage that will need to be removed. Once the nuts have been removed, take the cage off. Now unplug the current failed fan speed sensor and loosen the 1 1/8" nut holding the sensor. The sensor can then be removed and replaced with a new sensor. On the hub of the fan, there are 2 bolt heads that are used to measure the fan's speed. When installing the new fan speed sensor, use a zip tie to ensure that the correct space is achieved between the face of the sensor and the head of the bolts. Once the correct position has been achieved, tighten the nuts holding the sensor in place. Plug the new fan speed sensor back in and place the cage guard back on the fan, making sure to run the sensor cord through the slot on the cage. Once the cage has been tightened down, the new fan speed sensor is ready for operation.